Hi, I'm Tobias. In the world of magic, we talk a lot about misdirection, but the greats don't. They talk about direction. You know, in an audience, we can only concentrate on one thing at a time, and that one thing needs to be the storyline of the magical story that we're creating. If we lose that thread, we lose interest, we lose the chance to experience the magic. So in your business, it's easy to get distracted. It's easy to get distracted by your inbox, by statistics, by what the competition is doing. That's all misdirection. If you can refocus your mind as the leader on the one thing that you need to do to move forward towards the company's goals, towards the company's mission, and keep your eye on that prize, you'll begin creating real magic.